Welcome to the next instalment of Naylor's Garage. As you saw in the previous video, I installed all the piston rings. In this video, I'm actually trying to save the crankshaft because when I stripped the engine, I thought I had just oiled it up, a bit of WD, just something to stop it getting a bit of corrosion on it. I obviously hadn't done, or I hadn't done enough, and there's little specks of surface rust on some of the bearing journals, which actually panicked me a little bit because I thought the crankshaft might be dead. But as you'll see in the video, I used Autosol, or just like it, which is basically a metal polish if you don't know what Autosol is. So it's literally just taking all the dirt off it, and as the name suggests, polishing the surface. It's taking next to no material off. I've done it to crankshafts in the past when I've helped build engines and stuff, so on real performance cars as well. So I did the same here, hoping that it'd clean the bearing journals up, and you'll see in the video that it comes out pretty well. Autosol. Might be too far gone, unfortunately. Oh dear.
Yeah.
I'm sure I lubed it up with WD for this exact reason. Could be a really bad day. Yeah, I think we could get away with it. Just
like a polishing mop on a drill, like, do you know what I mean? Like
yeah.
Like a micro, do you know what I mean? Microfibre on a little woolly, so you can just fucking get it a little, nothing abrasive, obviously, but something so you can spin it quickly, you know what I mean?
Yeah, because this is. I'll tell you what. Can't feel anything on it. The annoying thing is I could have sworn I'd fucking
them up.
Moved it up, yeah, for this exact reason. But I have had to do this on Porsche cranks before, and they've been fine. On a couple of the journals I haven't touched yet, you can see how bad the rust spots are. They're not horrendous and surface rust, but it's probably as bad as I've seen before, so it just panicked me a little bit.
Like underside pulling it and rotating around.
Yeah.
Again, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think you might be right.
So this can get a bit of load on it. I don't know what the underside of this looks like, but at least you're gonna get like a good 180 on each side of it. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think I might.
That's quite nicely open with.
Yeah, I think. So should we stand her up?
If you had a little fucking vice or something, you just plug it up in.
Yeah, because that's come up right. Yeah, just needs a bit more tension on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Tell you what, but if you can
Hold at the top.
hold it at the top. Right, oh, so we'll just spin it to there. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, that's the one, isn't it? I reckon maybe even fucking cut a microfibre in half so you're not fucking.
Yeah, have it as a strip rather than.
Yeah, because like you don't really need. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, because that's cool. I think we'll save them. Like that's only had a quick one, so I'll go get a pair.
I might be able to.
Rotate to there.
I might not need to hold the bottom as much. I don't know. That's good, that, yeah. The issue is we're shaking the tail of those. Yeah, but I want to put it on the side, I might put it on the side.
Oh yeah, she's coming. Crisis averted-ish. Panicking, couldn't lose my job. Ow. Adjusting the fucking.
Oh yeah, maybe tie two pieces together. No, that's gonna be longer than that one. The knot.
Yeah, she'll be fine. Once we've done all this, it'll be fucking happy. Oh, I was panicking. I thought fucking crank were going to be fucking scrap. That'd have been sad, wouldn't it? Yes, I'd have been really sad then.
It's not been sat that long though, is it?
No. I did that one a little bit, but not much. It's amazing really how it does come up, you'd have thought. It's got to be fucked, wouldn't you, really?
Well, when you like, it does look quite bitter, doesn't it? But
It's just tiny.
it's when you get, I think it's the fucking the speed help, like the actual bit of speed help. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So when you first started rubbing it wasn't like when you started that middle one, it wasn't really going away that quick. But then When you took the top layer off it started coming quite quick, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Decent.
Feeling a little bit more happy about it now. Panicking. Good thing is, I think the worst bit of it is right in between where the two rods meet.
Yeah.
So I think we'll be fine.
It's going there, literally. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah. Yeah, like I say, I think I'll go around them all, but just not probably quite as, won't take as long on them all, will it? Because most of it's pretty much done. I can do that bit when it's in the engine, that'll be a bit easier. And oh my friend. Okay, now just doing them top two as well. During editing these videos, and mainly this one, I've never realised how many stupid faces I pull when I'm doing stuff when I'm working on cars. I don't know. I've just never noticed it before. Not that I would ever look at myself while I'm working on cars, but yeah, just noticed it more while editing all these videos. It's quite funny to watch myself. Shit on it. Look like it's cleaned up a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's only really that, you see where the old rear main seal sits, that's the only important bit really.
Fucking that's mental.
Mad, isn't it?
That's fucking mental. I thought it was fucking magnetic on there. So
Yeah, it's pretty fucking bonkers, isn't it? And then you've lifted that block into my van with me, didn't you?
yeah. I'll help you move it in fucking America as well.
Oh yeah, so
Yeah.
fucking, yeah, you know how, yeah, some weighty boy engine.
It smells lovely.
I like the smell sort of stuff. Probably shouldn't be rotating it on concrete floor, though, yeah?
Nah, it's that soft concrete.
Yeah, soft concrete. Just need a airline, really. consider yourself clean. Didn't film most cleaning because it's a bit boring, but yeah. Got 3 or 4 cans of brake cleaner thrown over it, and yeah, wiped down a fair few times. So I'm very happy it's clean and ready to go in the car now. Or in the engine, more like. So, as you can see, the crankshaft at the end came out pretty good. Next to no marks on it, pretty much as good as it was when I first took the engine out, if not a bit better, to be honest. So I'm really happy with that, and I'm going to run that crankshaft. I obviously didn't want to go and buy a new crankshaft if I didn't have to, and luckily I don't. So I hope you enjoyed the video and it was a bit of use to you. And yeah, click here to watch previous videos, or one that YouTube suggests here, or if you fancy subscribing, click on my face.